In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly cast content from your computer to your TV using the Chrome browser. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're looking to enjoy a movie night on a larger screen or share presentations with friends or colleagues more effectively. By following these few simple and easy steps, you'll be able to mirror your computer content onto your TV screen seamlessly. To start, ensure that both your computer and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial, as casting relies on both devices communicating over your home network. Check your TV to make sure it's turned on and correctly set to the input that accepts casting. In most smart TVs, this is the default setting, but it's always a good idea to double-check just in case. Now, if your TV isn't Wi-Fi enabled, don't worry, you can also use a streaming device like Chromecast. Just remember, it should also be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Next, open up the Chrome browser on your computer. Chrome is an excellent choice for this task because it has built-in functionality for casting, which makes the process smooth and efficient. Once you have Chrome open, navigate to the website or the file that you wish to cast. This could be anything from your favorite streaming service to a specific video file or even a web page that you'd like to share with others. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome browser window. Here, you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, which represents the More Options menu. This menu gives you access to several useful features, including casting. Click on this 3-dot menu. Sometimes, depending on your installed extensions, you might see it labeled as More. But don't worry, in the immediate dropdown, you're looking for the option labeled Cast. Once you click Cast, a small Cast tab will appear. You'll find yourself with a list of available devices that can receive your cast. These devices will include your TV or any streaming gadgets you have connected, such as a Chromecast. Simply choose the TV or streaming device you want to use from this list. Devices usually appear by their given name or the room name, making it easier to identify the correct one. After selecting your TV, the Chrome browser will begin connecting to it. You should see the content appearing on your TV screen within moments. If this is your first time connecting, there might be a short delay, but that's normal as your devices are getting synced up. Now, on your TV, you'll see exactly what you have on your Chrome tab, allowing you to play, pause, modify, or interact directly from your computer while enjoying the larger display. And there you have it. You've now successfully cast content from your computer to your TV. This setup is not only simple, but also convenient for making the most out of your technology at home. Enjoy your viewing.